Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make 즉석 tteokbokki. Jacob and I went to this amazing, the original tteokbokki, where the tteokbokki invented. Yes, where tteokbokki has born. We went to a restaurant, 신당동, and this 마봉님 할머니, she created this tteokbokki and it just got boom! Right now, tteokbokki is definitely Korean, I would say like a citizenship food. Like if you're Korean, you had that food. It's like a mac and cheese for Americans, okay? So let's get started. First, we are gonna make the sauce. For the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of water. Why not start with the water, right? And 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. So gochugaru will absorb all this water. It's gonna make beautiful, beautiful color. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Tteokbokki got to be sweet, okay? Tteokbokki has to have like equal amount of sweet, savory, and spicy because it actually made for like a little more younger generation, that's why. But we don't forget to feed them spicy. Train them when they are young. 1.5 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, my new favorite soy sauce. You know the link to get this soy sauce from online down below this video. Go check it out. Go check it out. What was that? They are light in color but saltier and more flavorful. 1 tablespoon of rice syrup or half tablespoon of honey. This will make tteokbokki nice and shiny. The last ingredients is 2 teaspoons of chunjang, the black bean paste. I know it's very strange ingredients for tteokbokki. You guys probably wondering why chunjang is in the tteokbokki sauce. Reason behind the 마봉님 할머니, how she invented the tteokbokki was she was just eating just rice cake, right? Just like nyum 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 nyum. She just dropped that rice cake into jjajangmyeon. She just had this moment, aha! Why don't I make with some gochujang in it, make it a little spicy and stir fry, and there you go. That's how tteokbokki has born. So got to have a chunjang because she always put chunjang in her tteokbokki. Even though nowadays the more modern style tteokbokki doesn't have a chunjang, but this original one gotta have it. The link down below where you can buy chunjang on online, so go check it out. Because if you love jjajangmyeon too, gotta have it in your refrigerator. Mix everything. Taste. Oh, so good. I can just put this over my rice, like warm rice. Actually, this sauce tastes better like 1 or 2 days later, or even a week later. It tastes even better. So don't be like shy to make this sauce ahead, like a week ahead, if you want to. So okay, our sauce is done. Let's prep our vegetables. First. Almost dropped it. Okay. The first vegetable is some cabbage. The beauty of the original tteokbokki is a lot of cabbage. Okay, just rotate the cabbages so they will similar length. All right, but the green onions, you will need 2 green onions. Just cut it into diagonal angle. You know, tteokbokki has a this unique flavor, either with the green onion or without the green onion. They're like super duper different. So don't forget to put the green onion because it makes it like from here to over here. All right, next, carrot. Just peel the carrots. If you don't like cooked carrot, you don't have to add it. But I really liked it in the original tteokbokki that we had. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add julienne the carrot. All right, now fish cake. They use super duper cheap fish cake. It's like a paper thing. Like I don't even know where you can get that cheap fish cake. So I'm gonna use the thinnest fish cake that I can find. Cut it in half lengthwise and then cut it into 1 bite size. All right. The rice cake, the duck. So I've been soaking them in hot water for about 15-20 minutes. But the thing is, in the original tteokbokki, their duck is like super duper thin. I couldn't find that thin rice cake, so I just got the regular one and I'm just gonna cut it in half. So be careful when you cut the rice cake because they are kind of slimy, the surface. And I like my duck like really thin in my tteokbokki. So if you're not used to cook and you are not really familiar with using knife, then you might want to ask this to your mom to do it. And remember, whenever they cook in a liquid, they will get bigger. Now I'm gonna put this back into the water. It's time to assemble. So grab a really wide and a shallow pot. So the first ingredients we're gonna put is the cabbage. Just like that, just spread them all around. And then the green onions. Carrots. So we're putting the vegetables up first on the bottom of the pan, because if you put the rice cake on the bottom first, it will stuck on the bottom and you don't want that to happen, okay? Okay, now fish cake and the rice cake. Here comes the julienne, chewy Korean wheat noodles. Really easy to find if you have a Korean grocery store near you, either frozen section or dry section. But if you cannot find it, go ahead and use glass noodles. That's more easier to find from the regular grocery stores. So go ahead and use either glass noodles or the julienne right here, and some ramen noodles. So I got this ramen noodles that has only the noodles, no seasoning. So, I mean, which works perfect, in my opinion, for this kind of recipe, that we don't need the seasoning, we need only that noodles. So I'm gonna put that right here. It started getting look like tteokbokki, the original tteokbokki, you know what I mean? I don't know why I say tteokbokki like that, but I'm like tteokbokki. Okay, now let's pour the sauce right on top. And then some fried mandu. It's fried dumplings. You can just use a frozen one just as it is, but since the original tteokbokki, they actually using fried mandu, not as good quality as this one. Just put it on top. It's gonna be so good. It's like not enough room. Okay. It's always good to have hard-boiled eggs, peeled of course, into tteokbokki. So good. You know, when the tteokbokki sauce is like simmering, you cut the egg in half and pour the sauce over the egg yolk and like mix it together. So good. Trust me. And you will need 5 cups of chicken stock. I mean, to be honest, my Korean ultimate stock will be the best option, that anchovy-based stock, but chicken stock it is for today. It looks like a lot of soup, but no worries, because from julienne and ramen, there's a lot of starch coming. Also from the rice cake, so it will thicken up really well. All right, this is it. This is ready to cook. You can cook on the stove in the kitchen, then serve, but the whole idea of this jigsaw tteokbokki, it is eating on the table. So follow me to the dinner table. I'm gonna show you how to eat this.
I'm gonna eat this tteokbokki all by myself.
No, you're not.
It's all for me. Can't you see?
So we'll let them boil for like right now about 3 minutes, right?
Oh yeah, check this out. If you go back and look at our vlog, I even said, I was like, this was like the first time I'd ever been served only a fork and a spoon in a Korean restaurant. And it does taste a little different eating with a fork, but because it's the, how do you say it all again? The
jigsaw tteokbokki.
jigsaw tteokbokki, the original tteokbokki. And it's a lot different than the one that you get on the street that you just get like a toothpick with too. Okay, so a lot of you are probably also gonna say, hey, it's a red dish that you're eating in front of the table like that, and it looks a lot like budae-jjigae. But it tastes a little different.
Little different or a lot different?
It tastes a lot different. The sauce is a lot different. It looks the same. But who cares? They're both freaking delicious. Just eat them.
Right, I know, right?
You gotta try them both to really appreciate it. I'm gonna put the fish cake out here to thaw out. Cool off. Is it better than Harmony's?
Oh, I don't know.
Versus the original one.
Harmony was
Be careful.
마봉님 할머니 one was really, really good though.
What was
you
the
know,
first
like
part?
a little hint
What,
of
how many?
MSG love.
She was right when it's like the perfect savory, sweet, and spicy all mixed. Just very mild, actually.
It's been boiling about 5 minutes, so they are ready to eat. I mean, the noodles and the fish cakes and stuff.
You wanna try the fish cake?
Yeah. I'm gonna get the noodles. Ooh.
Fish cake, good.
Yeah, it's good. Me too, fish cake.
My favorite part is probably the ramen.
Oh, so good. Oh my goodness.
But it does taste a little different eating it from a fork.
Oh, it's good. Man, the egg, cut it in half. Then you add all this juice. Oh, do you want a half?
Yes, please.
I give it a big half
Thank you.
because you've been good husband.
I'm not even gonna no, but yes, I want it. I want it, like right now. I knew I was forgetting something.
What did you forget?
There, now I feel at home.
You feel like home now?
Yeah.
So good. I think we need to turn the heat back on because it's time for
Fried rice, baby. Bum, 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 bum. I don't even know what that was. Who cares? Fried rice.
no sponsored, but today we're just gonna use this 햇반, the pre-cooked rice.
Makes it easy, right?
Drop this into this is simmering only sauce left tteokbokki. Then a package of kim, the Korean roasted and seasoned seaweed. Very important, because this right here, it changed the whole entire game of tteokbokki. So break down the rice, the pre-cooked rice. Do not heat them up. Whenever they are just kind of hard and it's almost like a cold rice. Work as a cold rice, they absorb all the liquids and all the stuff.
Too hot. Ooh, it's too hot.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Yeah, you definitely have to have that kim in there with it too. This is the closest that you can get to actually going to the
original tteokbokki place.
Yeah, the
신당동. If you like my 즉석 tteokbokki recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye guys.